Maintaining your investments. Have you ensured good housekeeping? We like to care for what we buy. Our house has a cleaning routine. We fix, repair and maintain stuff. How many of us do that with our investments? You may not be able to use your money during times of need if your upkeep is found wanting. Your folio may still be in your maiden name. Your address may have changed. The bank account you indicated could be the one you closed long ago. Your request for getting your money back may be rejected or wrongly processed if your personal details are not updated. Have you closed a bank account and not notified your fund? Each folio can hold details of 5 different bank accounts. Your active bank account should be named as the default account into which dividends and redemptions can flow. Add your new accounts. Delete the closed accounts. Have your personal details changed? Your investments may be in your maiden name. Your current financial activities may be in your married name. Unless you let them know, the mutual fund won't know that both are the same person. You may now be an NRI. Your mutual fund won't know until you tell them. Update your personal details to reflect your current name and status. Are your notifications going to the address you no longer live in? Your postal address runs a high risk of going obsolete. Your address is maintained centrally by a record-keeping agency called KYC Registering Agency, KRA. If you notify them about the change in address, they will update your records across all mutual funds. Over the years, your signature may have significantly changed, or worse, you may have acquired a new one. The older investments are effectively inaccessible. Hunt those old investments down and update your folio with your new signature. Get your banker to attest your new signature before notifying your fund. The supporting documents required may be a cancelled check, a bank statement certified by the bank manager, proof of address, proof of name change, proof of NRI status. The documentation varies depending upon what your requirement is. Downloadable forms for all the housekeeping transactions are available on the mutual fund website. Fill them up and submit it to the KRA, Fund or Investor Service Center as directed, along with the supportings. The form has to be signed by all joint holders, irrespective of mode of operation. The first holder should be one of the joint holders in the new bank account. The mutual fund would take 7 to 10 working days to update. The new information applies to all schemes under a folio and across all funds if it is a change notified to the KRA. Take some time and update information so that at the time of need, these are active investments and not mere pieces of paper.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.